Hey. Welcome in. You are locked in with the All Cleaners Conference podcast. We are coming to you live, and I am Roger D. Lloyd.
And I am Coach Janae. If you are a carpet cleaner, a floor care professional, or you're building a cleaning business from the ground up, you are in the right place today. Roger?
We've got something big to share with you, and we're going to keep it short, we're going to keep it real, and we're going to keep it exciting because what we're announcing today, it has been in the works, and we can't wait to pull the curtain back. Janae?
So please grab your phone, grab a pen, and stay with us because by the time we're done, you're going to want to clear your calendar for November the 11th. Roger?
That's right. November 11th, 2026, Houston, Texas. The All Cleaners Conference is back. And this year, we're doing something we've never done before. At this event, anyway.
Oh, yeah. We are bringing a live coaching session on stage in real time with real cleaning business owners. No scripts, no rehearsed answers, just real problems, real solutions, and real breakthroughs happening right in front of you.
And tonight, we want to give you a taste, a glimpse of what's coming. We're going to walk you through the 3 subjects that will be front and center at the November event. These are topics that every cleaner in the industry is wrestling with right now.
Well, trust me, when you hear them, you are going to recognize yourself in at least one of them, probably all 3.
All right. Topic number 1, lead conversion. Here's the reality check. The industry average for closing leads in cleaning space is somewhere between 10 to 20%. That means if you get 10 people reaching out to your business today, you're probably closing 1 or 2 of them. The other 8 are gone. And the goal we're going to be talking about in November is 30 to 40% close rate. Absolutely achievable.
It is.
But most cleaners don't even know why they're losing their leads or why they're even losing them.
That's true. That's true. And this is why I love this topic, because it's not about being a salesperson. It's about having a system. Most cleaners are just winging it. Someone calls, they give a price, and then they wait and hope. But hope is not a strategy.
Not a strategy, no.
Right. At this November event, we are going to dig into the exact reasons your leads are going cold and what to say, when to say it, and how to follow up in a way that feels natural, not pushy. We're going to coach a real cleaner through real process live, and you're going to see the shift happen right before your eyes. Roger?
If your phone is ringing, but your calendar isn't filling up, November 11th is just for you. Write that down. Now, topic number 2, and this one is near and dear to me as an operator, customer experience. And I'm not talking about just doing a good job on the carpet. No, I'm talking about the full journey from the moment a customer calls you all the way through to when you're pulling out their driveway and they're leaving you a 5-star review. Every single touch point matters.
Oh, yeah. We're talking about how you greet them, how you build rapport with them, how you handle scheduling their job, whether or not you're upselling and upselling the right way, not the pushy way, how you close the job, how you perform the job, how you ask for the review, how you do your quality check, and this one most cleaners skip entirely, how you rebook before you ever leave. Roger?
That's a lot of steps, coach.
It is. It is. And that's exactly my point. Most cleaners are treating it like a transaction. Show up, clean the carpet, cash the check. But the cleaners who are building real, sustainable businesses, they treat every visit like a relationship. And at this November event, we are going to map this out step by step with a real business owner in a live coaching session. So you can see just what it looks like when all 9 of those touch points are firing the way that they should. Roger?
One thing I know from running Steam Cleaning by BioClean is this. When your customer experience is right, your referral rates go up, your reviews go up, your rebooking rate goes up. Everything gets easier. Janae is going to show you how to build that at this event.
That's right.
All right. Topic number 3. And this one I hear a lot of cleaners debate about all the time. Customer acquisition versus customer retention. Should you be out here chasing new customers, running ads, doing door hangers, building your brand? Or should you be doubling down on the client you already have? Which one wins, coach?
Well, the honest answer, it really depends on where you are in your business journey. Now, a cleaner who just launched 6 months ago has a completely different answer than the cleaner who's been operating for 5 years with a solid client base. But here's what I will say, just to tease this one, okay? Both strategies have real pros and both have real cons. And the mistake most of us cleaners are making is going all in on just on one of these aspects and then completely neglecting the other. Roger?
I've seen it both ways. Cleaners who are so focused on new customers that they let their existing clients walk right out the door to a competitor. And the cleaners who are so comfortable with their regulars that they stop growing entirely. And then they wonder why revenue has flatlined.
Right. At this event in November, we are going to have a live conversation about both sides. And through the coaching session, we're going to help a real cleaning business owner figure out exactly where they should be putting their energy based on where they are right now. That right there is the kind of personalized, real-time coaching you cannot get from any YouTube video. It just won't happen.
That's the stuff you pay thousands of dollars for in a private coaching session. And you're going to see it live in Houston. So let's bring it home. November 11th, 2026, Houston, Texas, the All Cleaners Conference, 4-hour coaching on stage, real cleaners, real solutions, 3 game-changing topics. Number 1, lead conversion, customer experience, and acquisition versus retention.
And here's what I want you to understand. This event, this is not a seminar where you're just going to sit and listen and then go home with a notebook full of notes that you never look at again. What this is a real experience. You are going to walk out of that room with the clarity you need, with a plan that you'll use, and with the confidence to go back to your business and do something effectively different that's going to work.
We built this conference because we know this industry from the inside. We lived it, we scaled it.
That's right.
And we want to see every cleaner in this space win, not just survive.
So here's what we need you to do right now. Go ahead and get your ticket. Mark your calendar right now. And if you are in the cleaning space, please tell a fellow cleaner. Share this with them because the more of us in that room together, the more powerful this day is going to be. Roger?
Details are in the post right here below. Grab your spot before they're gone because Houston is ready and we are ready for you.
We are so grateful that you spent this time with us today. You could have been anywhere, right? This is just a glimpse, a little preview of what this November has in store just for you. Now, trust me when I say you haven't seen anything yet. Roger?
From our family to yours, thank you for building something real. Thank you for showing up every day for your customers and for your dreams. We honor that.
God bless you. We'll see you in Houston this November. I'm Coach Janae.
And I'm Roger D. Lloyd.
from
the
the
All
All Cleaners
Cleaners
Conference.
Conference. We'll see
We
you
will
in
see you
November 11th.
11th.
Veterans
Bye
Day.
for now.
All right.